friends, welcome to Creating with Jovi and 100 Days of Pockets. See this tab? Well, in collaboration with Cindy A. Lewis, I have created this pocket with label tab, and this is such a cute thing to add to your journals. So if you would like instructions on how to create all these pockets, check out my description box. You'll find Cindy's Ko-Fi link and it'll take you to the booklet. All right, my friends, today you're going to need a rectangle, a journal page or backing paper, a punched tab or label sticker. I want to mention that you can make tabs out of fabric as well, just so that you know. So if you don't have a tab punch, just take a little piece of fabric and you tear it, and then you glue each end and put it on the end of your, or on the edge of your journal or your tag or whatever. And that can work as a fantastic tab, and I actually love putting those in my journals. So I have my small rectangle here, and this is from my printable kits, my Gratitude collab printable kit, and it is called Cozy Autumn, okay? And Cindy and I are co-hosting Gratitude Collab this month. We will be using the hashtag, but I'm not sure if that's what we're going to call it. We're still working on all the details. By the time you see this video, all the details will be ironed out. But I still wanted to mention it in this video in case somehow you were not aware of it yet, okay? So I've got my rectangle, and it says to go ahead and glue all three sides down. And we're going to put that down on our journal page. And I have this cute tab here, and I think I want to ink it up a little bit on this top part. I don't mind this rose gold here, but I don't want it to look too springy. So we're just going to add a little bit of color to it to give it a little bit more of the autumn feels, right? There we go. I think that definitely, look, it matches that now. I think that looks great. This does have these little papers that I pull away, and then there's like a sticky adhesive behind it, but I'm also going to add some glue just to be sure it's not going to go anywhere. And then I'm going to add that to the side of my little pocket here. Actually, let me look over here. Okay, we're good. I just wanted to make sure. I'm going to add that to my little pocket. There we go. That looks super cute. I am going to decorate this pocket just a little bit. Part of the kit, I have some little faux stamps, and they're super cute. Let's add a little ink to that. Okay, and I think I'm just going to put this up here. It'll still leave a little bit of space so that if you wanted to add a little note or a date or a name or just a little bit of information, there's still plenty of room that you could do that. There we go. We're going to put it right there. I have a cute little gratitude tag here that I think we'll put in the pocket, but let me grab my hole punch. There's a nice hole there. So let's go ahead and use that. There we go. We got that punched out. And maybe we need to add just a small piece of trim. I don't want this to end up being too bulky, so I don't really want to like tie it in a knot because, you know, it's jute. And it could end up being, you know, having quite a bump. So I was thinking, what if I just glued these two pieces together? I'm going to give it a try. If I can put only the tiniest bit of glue on there, I think it'll work out. So there's a little piece of glue there and a little piece there. And let's see if I can get these over here like this, and I'll just kind of squeeze them together. There's a little more glue than I'd like, but once it's dry, I can pull that away. All right, I was able to pull that away, and that's nice because it's going to lay flatter than if I would have had to do a knot. Now I'm going to trim these. Don't want them to be too big because the tag is pretty darn small. And now we're going to slide that right into our pocket. Super cute. Very easy. Super cute. I really like it. Well, my friends, please check out Cindy's channel and see what she created today. There's our little tab for opening and closing. Now I could have put the tab on the pocket. There's a lot of things you can do with these tabs. I love them. They're so cute. I found these on clearance at Hobby Lobby. I hope to find more sometime. I like playing with them, and I don't have a punch, so it's kind of nice when I found these. At any rate, check out Cindy's channel, see what she's up to today. Thanks for watching. See you soon.